Heavy-duty fieldwork is definitely exhausting, right? It's quite challenging to meet the time targets or chase quality standards without tools or equipment that have the capability in their field. That's why the presence of heavy equipment is very important in various types of projects. Even so, there are indeed some heavy equipment that you might, in your lifetime, have never seen in person. Not like excavators or loaders that are commonly encountered. Are you curious about what they look like and what their functions are? Maybe someone is interested in buying one. Well, let's not wait any longer. Make sure to watch our video until the end. For mining purposes, drilling is definitely needed, right? Well, this task is not done manually. There's a special tool that can do it in an efficient time. At its end, there's a drill bit that's adjusted to the surface that will be drilled through. The results of the drilling are channeled to the back, so they don't pile up and obstruct. The space created afterward can be as big as a tunnel. Building bridges tens of meters above the ground is certainly not an easy job. That's why engineers have to brainstorm to complete the project while still considering safety factors. Precast concrete blocks are carried by this special tool and then installed neatly. Its mechanism is cool. It can hang to the next pile, so there's room to install the next concrete. Tired of digging ditches for hundreds of meters for drainage channels or plumbing pipes? This tool is the answer. The object, resembling a tank wheel, isn't for traversing rough ground surfaces, but for scratching the earth to make a ditch. The depth of the excavation can be adjusted as needed. Because this tool can move up and down electronically, the excavated material isn't just left there, but is pushed to the opposite side for easy removal. Whether due to increased needs or just wanting a change of scenery, many people choose to renovate buildings, whether homes, stores, or even office buildings. To make room for a new design, the old building needs to be demolished, of course. Rather than bothering workers to use hammers and other manual tools, better use this. The picture probably explains well how powerful it is. With an end arm resembling a crab claw, concrete walls can vanish in a single pinch. No need to waste time again with manual methods. To lift heavy items to high-rise construction areas, a crane is definitely needed. However, conventional cranes can't be constructed quickly and are difficult to mobilize. Fortunately, there's this tool. Yes, it might not be as tall as a regular crane, but a maximum height of 60 meters, about 197 feet, is more than enough to reach a 10-story building. What's great is that it can be operated and moved around much quicker than the usual cranes. Small does not mean inferior. A saying like that might suit this tool well. Despite its small dimensions, it's capable of performing tasks that larger tools might not be able to do. With this drill bit, asphalt and all the layers beneath it can be drilled through in a short time. Its purpose is to create a direct channel to the drainage as well as a control pit. You probably hate it when the roads are flooded. The mining industry always has been the habitat for heavy equipment with the highest specifications. The vast area and the efficiency of work time pose their own challenges for players in this business. That's why there are many tools like this to do big jobs at once. In a day, this tool can move 240,000 tons of material, typically for coal mining areas. Despite being more than 2 decades old, it still holds the record as one of the largest vehicles. Wow, in 2 years, no one has matched it. Impressive. Still in the mining area, it's hard to see what's different about this tool compared to regular excavators until you see it compared in size to a car. It's about 11 meters, around 36 feet long, and 8.5 meters, about 28 feet wide. Dubbed as the largest excavator on Earth to this day, in a single lift, its bucket can hold about 85 tons of material. The majority of mines that own this tool even use it up to 24 hours a day, proof that this tool is really powerful. Have you ever seen the process of asphalt paving? Here's a sophisticated tool used abroad. The hot asphalt mix, along with other materials inside the tank, is directly channeled to a nozzle as wide as the road. Besides being efficient both in terms of time and tool use, the results are also neater compared to other tools. So the task of the project workers will be much lighter after the arrival of this object. Nowadays, it's no longer the era of installing concrete blocks or paving blocks by squatting for hours. It's tiring and time-consuming, especially if the area to be paved is vast. Now it's time to use this tool. In a single action, at least about 1 square meter of paving blocks can be installed. This special tool can arrange paving by itself and produce neater results. Say goodbye to back pain.